My name is Raghavendra Naik. I joined Chowgule Crane Division at Kandepa in the year 2007. Within 6 months, I got transferred to Bangalore, taking care of cranes installation mounted on trucks. I was also responsible for commissioning and training the customer. After another 3 months, I was called back to Goa for joining the development team. I was assigned to handle vendor development for our newly designed product called Handyman. At that time, we were manufacturing 1 or 2 units every month. We were not bothered about the product very much. One morning, our senior GM, Mr. Pete, gave me a shocking news that we had received a work order from Russian company. We were supposed to manufacture and deliver 20 units of Handyman, that too in just 22 days. I was happy and confused at the same time. My senior warned me if the deadlines were not met, I would get transferred to Assam as a service engineer.
The problem what I was seeing at that time, the Handyman was a big project for us as a division. However, the project was not moving very fast. One fine morning, I got one email from Mr. Fujisawa saying that he needs to have 100 units to be delivered before winter, and which was very challenging task because Russian winter starts somewhere in September end. Before that, if we have to deliver 100 units, it was really a challenging task. So I called Raghavendra. I told him, look Raghavendra, this needs to be done by end July. You have to dispatch total 20 units. And just to push him little hard, I told him, if you don't deliver this, there is a vacancy in Assam for service engineer, and if you don't deliver this, I'll transfer you to Assam.
That day, I was not even in a mood of having my lunch. After a lot of discussion with my family and my colleagues, I thought that my transfer was sure. Next day morning, I was still troubled. After a short meeting at office, we decided to go for production outsourcing. We finally met the supplier and explained him the situation. Luckily, he agreed.
20 अंडरमैन 20 और 22 दिन में करना बहुत मुश्किल था, और बाद में हम लोग ऑफिस जाके मीटिंग किया उधर, तो वो बोला कि 22 में करना ही बनता है, इट इज़ आवर टारगेट। वो जो टारगेट डेट हम लोग दे पाएंगे वो भी हम लोग नहीं सोचा था, लेकिन वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट।
This gives me a lot of confidence, but was not very sure. We started the job at the supplier end in my full-time supervision. With senior instruction, we worked very hard from morning till late night to meet our target. We had only 16 days left. My GM arranged me the welder, fitter and the welding machine. He also provided me a private vehicle to move the material from one place to the another so that we could complete the work faster. My all attention was on Handyman, eating, sleeping, walking every time. Unfortunately, the very next day, I met with a bike accident. I was badly injured and doctor suggest 1 week bed rest. But at this critical stage, I had no option than to forget my pain and get back to work. I ignored the doctor's suggestion. I had to face so many problems that cannot be expressed in the words. Short supply of materials, material drawings were some of them. Thanks to the vehicle provided by senior, somehow all the problems were solved. But my colleagues were big disappointed. Instead of helping me, they kept discouraging me. I was alone, trapped in a dark well with nobody helped me come out. I finally got 3 strong steps to climb that finally helped me to overcome all the problems. My GM Mr. Pete, our supply manager Mr. Lakshmikant and my driver Mr. Anirudh, I will never forget them in my life. With their cooperation, I find that nothing is impossible.
9-9.5 वर्सां चौगुलेन काम करता पूण जेन्ना म्हाका हांगा हायर केलो एक हँडीमॅनाक लागून एक राघवेंद्रा बरोबर तेन्ना हांव मनांतल्यान खूब खुशी जालो. कित्याक खुशी जालो तर इतले फाटल्या 10 वर्सांन इतली हार्ड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी म्हाका केन्नाच म्हाजेर पडोंक नासली. आनी दुसरें म्हणजे राघवेंद्राक हांव फाटली म्हणजे जेन्ना क्लीन डिविजन स्टार्ट जालें तेन्नाच्यान वळखता आनी राघवेंद्र कसो काम करता कितलो हार्ड वर्क करता हें म्हाका खबर आशिल्लें. म्हणून चड करून राघवेंद्रा बरोबर काम करपाक म्हाका खूब खुशी जाली.
Impossible is the word found in the dictionary of the fools. I worked with a full confidence since it was my very first experience. I faced a few more hurdles. Due to heavy rain, the paints were not drying. I completed the target. I am happy that I have become a hero for the handyman project. My close friend once said, never pollute your job, but always salute your job, because one who salute the job don't have to salute anyone. But if you pollute your job, you have to salute everyone.